Hello. Today the plan is to take the engine out of the boat. It wouldn't start when I tried, but everything is turning freely. The diesel in the tank is years old. The tank is rotten dirty, so I just want to take the engine out, go over it all, make sure everything's running okay, put it back in. I mean, I wouldn't say engines are my forte, but I know more about engines than I do sailing, so we'll start with what I know. I've started taking parts off already, but I thought I'd make a little video of this just in case it might help anybody else. So here we go. I won't record the whole thing. As I approach a problem, I'll show you how I solve it, if I solve it. Okay. I'll show you the tank, what I didn't like about it. If you can see, look at all the crud around the edge of the tank. The inlet, not focusing very good, new camera. But that don't fill me with confidence. So I drained the tank. Don't want rain getting in there. And so far I have taken off the alternator. The bolts look pretty rusted on there for the mounts. I don't know when this was last out. There's a lot of little bits of problem with these two bolts here for the gearbox lever. But this is as far as I've got so far, not far. And here we go. Okay, progress so far. Engine out. Pulled forward, should be able to work on it now. It pivots lovely on this spot. I can just pivot it with my hand. The plan is to take off anything that has fuel going through it, such as the line, filter, the pump, I'm guessing that's a diaphragm pump, and all the fuel lines, and clean them out, because the state of that tank, I couldn't believe it. There's got to be fuel dirt stuck everywhere. And then give it a good clean up, change the oil, the filter. I'll take off the starter motor as well and give that a service. Put it all back together and shove her back in her hole. Okay, I'll carry on. Bye. Not the most graceful way to get an engine down from a boat, but where there's a will, there's certainly a way. Job done. Gearbox removed from the engine. Oil changed. Gears working lovely. She's a beaut. Cleaned up. Eyeless spindle. Job done. Don't like the look of that. I think I'll take the head off. Give it a service. Flywheel looks good. I'll take this. Start the motor off. And I think I might drop the sump. Okay, update. After taking off the rubber pipes here for the water system and taking out the impeller looked in great shape, obviously changed recently. But I found bits of rubber in the oil or waterways here, bits of old impeller. Found a bit in here, I found a bit in here. And upon closer inspection, I found all the waterways are like full of gunk and corrosion. So what I'm going to do now is clean all these out with a trusty little file. Forgive the red nail polish, spraying stuff. And I'll let you know how far I get on. Cheers. Okay, engine back together. I can't put it in just at the moment. I'm waiting for some gasket paper to come. It's always the cheap stuff. Because I want to put a new gasket in here in the fuel pump, and a new gasket in the impeller housing. So until that comes,